welcome back to Staying Creative. Today I'm going to make some torta. The other day I made some turkey giniling and I have some leftovers. So what I'm going to do with the leftovers is go ahead and make some yummy turkey giniling torta. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and crack some eggs. And depending on how many tortas you want to make, you can add as many eggs or just a couple eggs if you're just going to make a few tortas. So I have a whole bunch of eggs and I want to go ahead and use up all of this leftover torta and just have a lot of torta so you can eat it for a day or two. Quite a few eggs in here. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and beat that up. Scramble those eggs. And I'm also going to add more seasoning to the eggs. Oh my gosh. I'm going to add a whole thing of salt into the eggs. Oh geez. No, no, no. Bad, bad, bad. So I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. And lots of pepper. I love pepper. That's a lot. And some more garlic powder. Just to flavor the eggs. And go ahead and scramble that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the turkey giniling. So you can add as much or as little as you want. Pardon the noise in the background, my dishwasher is running. It's so loud. It's not even a big one. I don't know why it's so loud. So our torta is kind of an omelet with meat inside. I'll go ahead and just use that much for now and mix it in well with the egg. Get it nice and blended. And then you just start frying. So I have my pan over here warming up with some oil on about low to medium heat. I have it on low right now because I'm mixing up the torta. I put about 2 ladle spoons in this little bowl. I'll put that in. There you go. Okay, now you just want to fry until it's a nice golden brown. I like my torta pretty well done. So I'm going to let it get nice and crispy. So the trick is really the flipping of this thing. So just keep kind of swirling it around. And it's nice and golden brown on the other side, but I can have it go for just a little bit longer. About good. Let's try and flip it. Okay, this is the hardest part for me. There you go. So let that get cooked on the other side. And then put it on a paper plate with, or a plate, put it on a plate with some paper towel to let the excess oil come out. And then eat it with some rice, some bread. Sometimes I make sandwiches and I put the torta in the middle. It's so good. So if it's getting too brown too fast for you, go ahead and turn your heat down. And if this is too brown for you, then flip it sooner, but I like mine pretty golden brown. Now the meat inside of the omelet is already cooked. You're really just basically cooking the egg. So I'm going to let it go for just a little bit longer. Okay. And you know when it's done when it's pretty firm. Okay. So there's my first torta. I'm going to go ahead and make more. Doesn't that look good? Mmm. And I just kind of move the oil around the sides so that the sides get cooked and it'll be easier to flip. Yum. Check it to see if it's brown enough for you. If you don't like it too golden brown, then you can flip it sooner, but it does make it easier if you let it cook a little bit longer. Okay, let's see. Looks good. Let's try and flip this without breaking it. There we go. Yummy, 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 yummy. So I turned the heat up just a little bit because it's taking a little bit longer than I'd like to get golden brown. Tortas make really great picnic food because you can eat it cold and it's just as good, or you can eat it hot. I actually prefer it at room temperature, so perfect for outings, the beach, picnics, potlucks. I like to eat mine with banana ketchup, but when I make sandwiches I use mayo and banana ketchup mixture. Okay guys, there's all the torta I made today from that batch of eggs and turkey giniling. Looks super yummy. They look kind of like pancakes, don't they? Anyway, I usually eat mine with ketchup or banana ketchup, but Steve likes his with salsa. And I'm just gonna serve it with some white rice, and he likes a little soy sauce on his rice. Okay, there you go. He's got a few tortas on the plate with some rice and the salsa, and I'm gonna have him try it. He's gonna love it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so here is the plate, and I'm gonna have my taste tester, Steve. Dun-da-da-dun!
Okay.
All right, Steve.
So,
Here's some salsa. Here's salsa.
I'll try it without it first.
How is it?
Pretty good. I like it.
Yay!
Delicious.
All right. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, bye!